better teeth for a patient, because all the procedures we have discussed here are all OPD level procedures. None of them have to be IPD. None of them. And that's why I make sure that if something is presented somewhere, it should be doable the very next day. That's how the idea is. In Shara, next. The idea is Dr. Joji Sebastian, I will never forget him. I learned the Shara application over the telephone. So I do not want anybody else to learn it over the telephone. He told about a nurse somewhere in UK who had a scenario of having nasal hypertrophy, totally blocked, not responding to Gunjalekam and Varnadikasha and Kanchana Gurgulu, the normal methods. And she is ready to face the surgery. So something like 20 to 23, somewhere, this is more than 4 or 5 years ago. And he also was fed up with the normal OPD procedures, everything, nothing doing. And some internee who was known to Dr. Rajesh here, this gentleman, somebody he knew, happened to tell about Paravaje sir, Ravi Shankar sir, and they fetched the Shara. He said that he had contacted a lot of doctors in Kerala with polyp, etc., and nobody told him about Shara at that point. And he did that procedure to that lady that did not take more than 10 to 15 minutes. And she found close to 50% ease in the breathing immediately with the next 5 to 10 minutes. And after 5 days, she said to the doctor on reporting, almost. Imagine the condition, so OPD level procedure. And when I was doing for my first patient, he taught me over the phone, but we have video of the same, and we could avoid surgery for that patient close to 1 year. But after that, I volunteered. My father-in-law funded me from his personal pocket the material for this, because one Shara bottle will cost you something like 2,500 rupees. There's a shortcut also for the same. Of course, others you can make it of your own. And we implemented in the government hospital with the permission, full permission official, everything full officially permitted. And we did, me and Dr. Harish were doing all those documentations and doing on patients, so close to 75 something. Again, you have that printout. When you will get it, you will have that, how many cases done, how many responded, how many did, everything is there. I cut short that, I leave it to you to consider that. And I find with one sentence, if I say about Shara, our method seems to be better, effective, cheaper, longer lasting than what we find, no offense to allopathy, no offense to any ENT surgeon, no offense, than what is found now in the society. Because all those cases, Dr. Harish knows, Dr. JC also knows, all those cases were written off from the allopathy, including rhinosporidiosis. And one patient, out of his excitement, he went to the doctor, the Manorama Kodakana, the publicity, and I said, what publicity? I mean, we will keep doing what we want to do. Because he was done surgery 6 times, and he did not get the result that he got with Shara. And if I say about Shara, maybe I skip the video. Next. Anybody who knows to brush the teeth can do Shara. That is the qualification. Anybody who can apply paste into the nose. If anybody can make a ball of a chewing gum and put in the nose of somebody else, and take a toothpaste and apply on that ball of chewing gum with precision for almost 1 minute, maybe 35 seconds is enough, but even 1 or maximum 2 minutes, which is not needed actually, without touching that paste on any part of the nose except that chewing gum roll inside the nose, can easily do Shara. It is as simple as that. You don't have to be a Shara till PG. As they again say, I am not comparing PGs. Don't have to be Shara till PG. The effect is enormous. And tons of Varnadi can be avoided. And why I use this gentleman, he is AMI, active AMI secretary in Wayanad, Mohammad Rafi. Why I am always very keen to go for such interactions. Wherever I go, invited as a faculty. But what happens is I come back as a student. And that is why I am always excited to go anywhere for a class. Because the audience teaches us so much, somehow. That's how it is so interesting. that we always learn, and he taught me, what if any one of you has a case of hypertrophy tomorrow and you want to do it? You can't prepare Kshara by tonight or tomorrow, isn't it? It's impossible. But for a cost that I will tell you by email, it's ridiculously low cost. Because this will go in the internet, what I speak. I don't want that to be, I will just email you. It's a ridiculously low cost. You can do it tomorrow itself by using something. It's so easily available. And what exactly, I will prefer not to speak that cost here. It is a 2-digit figure, and it could be so low you can't imagine. Because it is easily and quickly doable. Next, I think next is the Kshara. Yes, this is what it can be done, but I'll give that numbers later. Next. And where it has been used is the Kshara, I would say, is used in chronic tonsillitis, pollen. I have used in the first 3. Dr. Rajesh Kainal has used the first 3 and the 4th one also. This I have not heard him doing it. My sir has done it. And this my sir has done it, I have not done it, because I would not invest Kshara for a bacterial contamination. I would prefer to use more in these conditions, because you can't make it just like that every day. So I conserve that. But it is very effective. I must confess that, not confess, I would say with pride of my science, that all those nasal polyp or hypertrophy patients who came to us because they did not have satisfactory cure. Satisfactory cure in their systems, what they used, and they got benefit by our system. So it is very effective and very easily doable. And I think we finish in 5 minutes. How we do it is the next thing. It is very easy, as I said. Anybody who can nasal septum is qualified to do Kshara. It is so simple. And in that it is very important. Again, you have a checklist of what materials you need. It is very important to tell the patient to cut his nasal hair and come. It saves the time and makes it more precise. It's very important to tell them that Kshara. Okay. 1 second. Actually, you have to go like this. Like this is the first, and then you go like this. Like this. So, I mean, it is nothing secret. It's in the text. Nothing, but it's just made a video. Next. Reverse. And here is application. Yes. And how we apply, you can put that on. It is very easy. Actually, no, I should be honest to say that, no. I have heard my seniors telling in the college, Kshara ko order aanu de. Acharyan valum pratyeka avastha visheshathil ezhuthi talliyadano. I have heard it, unfortunately. These are the words that were used in the college academy. I think we'll remove it. Because unless you see Kshara in the academy, how can you believe it? Kshara Sutra, everybody is seeing it because it's so commonly done. So the reality is to be ascertained, and that's why whenever I go for such interactions, I usually buy a Mirinda from the railway station and Aripodi I take from my home. So you put the Aripodi, looks like Kshara, that is the paste, and the Mirinda looks like the Kshara Jala, which is fine because you can't keep transporting easily. So I think if I go a bit down, maybe a bit forward, it will show. Yes, this is what I said. No. Somewhat looks like Mirinda and this is like Aripodi in its effect. So what can be done if you're doing it for the first time as a demo? You can apply some Tikshna Kadurasa Dravyas and have a feel with the patient for the first time if you feel that the Kshara can damage the nasal turbinate. So he will definitely have some kapha release, definitely some mucus will go, he will feel a good breathing in. You can call it as the first step, the Purva Karma, which is basically in bracket your practice karma. And then you do the real thing. So that is, this is what I would recommend to be done on anybody, because the first patient I did was in a very lot of screaming and this that. Fortunately, there was no electricity in the dispensary, so my sweating was considered to be the heat, the summer sweat, than my inside trigger. It's like Shara is the most, I won't say dangerous, the most careful to be. Remaining everything is fine. Shara, if you do wrong, he can end up being a Japanese or like a Mongolian. So not Japanese. This can go like this. So it is important. But you see, we have a good intention. God is with us. Our intentions are pure and genuine. So nothing bad will happen if you take minimum common sense precaution. So, but I have a responsibility to tell to you, you can't have camera in one hand and Shara. I never do camera in one hand and Shara in the other. No, no. Siraveda we can do, Agnikarma we can do, but not with this. So you can't be that easy with it. So next we will go with this. So this is how it would look like. And then I think we'll forward. And you need actually, again you have the list, you need an applicator that you can scoop out it and make sure that you have the Naranga neer here. This is Naranga neer here. You make a Naranga unda if you call it that way. Of course you need the arterial forceps, and this is prepared ready because once the Shara is applied, so this we are in the phase of the preparation of it. I mean preparation, the Shara is already prepared here it is already ready many months ago or so, but the preparation of the day is like keeping this Naranga bolus and the forceps ready. So all that you need is this one, the like a wax remover, no? This one. Of course you will see it more clear, and you need the forceps keeping it ready. I think we will go forward. In the next 3 minutes we will be completing the procedure. So we have kept all these boluses very ready, and and we take, of course, the quantity of this. You see, this is a scoop, like an ice cream scoop, no, like a spoon with ice cream. And the Shara Jala is the one that gives strength to the Shara inside. That looks like a. You will see that being scooped off. You see this one. This is the Shara. This is the bomb to say so, but this potentiates the bomb. This Shara Jala. So this is taken, and again in this 35 seconds to 45 seconds is fine, but me and Harish doctor have done up to 3 minutes. I think up to 5 minutes. Maybe somebody feels we are mad, but if that's the case, we are so. But no problem so far. I don't know if the Shara's potency got decreased and then there was no problem, but sometimes you need it. But typically my teacher has advised me 35 seconds is fine, but I do up to 45 seconds, 1.5 minutes. And so far, touch wood, nothing wrong has happened. Little forward. I think that is the preparation, and then now is the application. We finish it. All those things that are conveyed here, everything is documented with evidence, and everything is shareable at any level with anybody. So I mean, of course, it is better to cover the face. No, we don't want the Shara to get into the eyes and to burn it or damage it permanently. And of course, you need a torch, and then it is, once it is made very clear, I was just taking the photo of this, and I think we forward it because we just have to apply it. More forward is, we have to ensure the hair is cut, the nasal hair is cut. It is very important. You can forward. Yes, now this is ready here. You can forward, no problem. It's all OPD level. There's nothing IPD in that. And then you are just applying it. You are holding on there. But we have a new technique. It's called Dr. JC's technique. When he came to my place in Kottayam, Dr. JC had a fantastic idea in larger masses to inject this Shara and Jala, like to disintegrate, like you break a boulder by having something deeply penetrating into it instead of just application, because application would only have a surface action. But Dr. JC technique is injecting it into the mass, so it disintegrates. It is very effective. We had very good team. There were doctors from other districts also who came. So it was good that we could all share and do it. So this is like you are holding on in there. I should have a gloves here, I understand, but no, I think it was done very quickly. So This is being like, hold on, that is the idea there. I think we can forward it, doctor. We are just holding on. So what does the patient expect? After this, most of them say, if it is hypertrophy, they feel a very good clarity of their nose. If it is polyp, they say, which is high probability. All the mucus flowing out. So please expect that. You can tell them to have a this AVI, like nasal steam inhalation, fine. But they will also feel better. And some people, or rather majority of the people say, after 1 week when they come. So they have symptomatic relief for sure. They have structural changes themselves being felt. And the quality of air is also much, much better. And to conclude, Chara, 2 things have happened. I've had people who had enormous amount of blood coming out, even needing as thick as this much. If I say easily about 3 centimeters of tissue paper used to soak out the blood that was coming from the nose. It is a possibility. I have only one lady, she is from outside India, who lost her memory for 4 hours. Imagine my condition. Doctor, how are you? What are you? I mean, I was like, no, I was shocked. Who are you to asking me for 4 hours? I mean, just not. So, see, I'm not trying to discourage you from doing it, but you can tell in advance. If somebody told me that somebody would have temporary amnesia, I would have told that to the patient. So please tell them some unexplainable things may or may not happen as an anticipatory way. And then they will understand it. So these 2 things, I think we should call it a day, and it is already 1 o'clock. Oh, it's 5 more than 1 o'clock. We should stop, I would say. I think we had everything, Shara. Final conclusion, anybody who can make sure that the tissue paper does not get crossed over, burned by a Samranitiri, Agnikarma. Sneha Agnikarma, I won't say that very easy, but definitely very doable. Anybody who can blast a balloon full of water with a needle can easily make Siraveda. Anybody who can apply paste into the nose to Sharakarma. I can do it, you can do it much better than me. Thank you very much for the last 2.5 hours. I have learned that I can take a class, and I have cut short many things. Lot of things I have cut short because of the time's factor. But you will not miss it if you wish it, because that will be in the website. Because I will be making more of the video links to it. And the most